Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see right here, just finished, steaming hot. We're doing a Alum Fry, like a dry fried potato with nice kind of lovely spices. In fact, nice kind of chunky fries, really like chunky chips. We're doing, gonna fry them off in some oil with some lovely seasoning. Then we're gonna add some onions, garlic, ginger, some nice mild peppers. Really delicious. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy. Let's go and do it. Okay, so we're going to get started. I've got a large wok here and I've got some sunflower oil in there which I'm heating up, and we're going to drop in some whole garam masala or whole seeds first, a little bit of dried red chili, and then here I've got some cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, and some green cardamom. So we're going to just let them do their thing for a few seconds. They're going to infuse that oil. Then we're going to drop in our potatoes. Now potatoes, as you can see, are nice and chunky like that. Peeled, washed, but really chunky. So let's go in with the potatoes. Might be a bit loud, and we're going to do these, throw them around for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, nice and chunky cut. So you have 5 or 6 minutes, high heat. Let's get these moving, and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so as you can see, we've just got some kind of lovely looking fries there, nice and brown. They're still quite hard. Now we've got too much oil in there to move on, so just going to drain off a little bit of oil. Hold tight. I've just reduced that down by about 80%. Now what we're going to do, stand on a high heat, we're going to get some onions in. And again, quite kind of thick cut. And we're going to throw these around just for about 2 minutes. Keep it moving. Wonderful. Next step, we're going to get in garlic ginger paste there. There's like a nice tablespoon there of that. Some salt. We're going to get in now these peppers. Now these peppers are not bell peppers, they're kind of that kind of chili kind of thing. So it's got a chili taste, but not massively hot. A nice mild kind of chili. Just throw this around. Now we're going to add in a couple of tomatoes, and to the tomatoes we're going to add some powders, equal parts, like a teaspoon each, of chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder. If you wanted, you could just use a bit of curry powder. Right, keep this moving now for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that we've got the tomatoes in there, that'll give us a bit of moisture. But keep it moving because I don't want the powders to become bitter. And as you can see, I've got a nice lot of moisture from those tomatoes just breaking down there beautifully. Check that your potatoes are cooked. Mine are kind of nice and tender now. Off goes the heat. In we go with some cilantro or coriander. Check that for salt. And there you go. You've got a really wonderful, easy aloo, spicy aloo or potato dry curry. That's fantastic with some bread, you know, like some naan or paratha or something like that. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.